Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CIPS Level 6 assessment for 2024 to 2025. You can visit our website by clicking on the link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on.
Supply network design is crucial in evaluating how an organization structures its sourcing and logistics globally. This includes understanding the cost to serve models, which measure the cost involved in serving each customer segment efficiently. Strategic configuration involves aligning resources, facilities, and technologies to meet global procurement goals. Global sourcing decisions play a significant role in achieving competitive advantage by balancing costs, risks, and service quality. In your assessment, clearly define these concepts and their impact on organizational efficiency, including real-world examples of successful supply network configurations can strengthen your arguments. Emphasize how thoughtful design improves flexibility, reduces costs, and enhances service delivery, helping organizations achieve sustainable procurement operations. Global sourcing involves identifying and leveraging suppliers from international markets to optimize costs and capabilities. Key drivers include cost reduction, access to advanced technologies, and diversification of supply risks. However, global sourcing also presents risks such as political instability, currency fluctuations, and logistical complexities. In your assessment, discuss how to evaluate these risks and opportunities systematically. Supplier selection strategies must consider quality, reliability, and alignment with organizational goals, demonstrating how global sourcing can create a competitive advantage by improving efficiency, enhancing innovation, and ensuring supply resilience will showcase your strategic understanding of supply network design. Cost-to-serve models help organizations calculate the total cost of delivering products or services to different customers or regions. This includes costs associated with transportation, warehousing, inventory management, and administrative overheads. Tools such as activity-based costing and advanced analytics are often used to perform these calculations. In your assessment, explain how understanding cost drivers influences decisions on facility locations, transport modes, and inventory policies. Show how optimizing these factors leads to a more efficient and responsive supply network. Include examples of organizations successfully using cost-to-serve analysis to enhance profitability and service levels. Strategic configuration refers to the deliberate design of supply chain elements, suppliers, production sites, warehouses, and transport routes to meet business goals. Network optimization techniques, including linear programming and simulation models, help determine the most efficient structure. The challenge is balancing cost efficiency with responsiveness to market changes. In your assessment, outline methods for achieving this balance and discuss trade-offs involved in network design. Use case studies of companies that have successfully reconfigured their supply networks to reduce costs while maintaining high service levels, demonstrating practical applications of strategic configuration. Technology and data analytics are transforming supply network design by enabling real-time visibility and smarter decision-making. Digital tools like supply chain management software, IoT sensors, and blockchain enhance transparency and traceability. Predictive analytics uses historical data and machine learning to forecast demand, optimize inventory, and prevent disruptions. In your assessment, explain how integrating these technologies supports network design and strategic configuration. Highlight benefits such as improved accuracy in planning, faster response to market shifts, and cost reduction. Use examples of organizations that have successfully implemented data-driven strategies to strengthen their global supply networks.